How's it going, ding dongs? It's been a while since I've been at a meet, so I took the Nimbus out. It's a pretty cool spot. Check this out. It's a freaking skate park. There's a meet at a skate park. It's pretty sick. The only thing not sick is the car selection. Pretty regular traffic around here. You know, you got the usual Hondas and Golfs. Corolla hatch is pretty sick. Got a cute little Miata like always. Gotta have the Miata. Clean though, it's clean. Caleb, what do you think?
Definitely in mirror. It's got the, what do you call them? Infinity lights.
For sure, because they got a mirror on them. C36 is nice though. Kind of starting to become more interesting to me. I don't know why.
I think it's the Lugan in me.
Damn, it's dark. Can't see shit. Oh, wait. There we go. I had my aperture turned way down.
Look at this carbon intake. That is badass. Is there a filter in there? Those are ITBs. It's probably ITBs. That thing's pretty clean.
Look at this spot, though. Man, this is sick. How have I never heard of this? A whole ass fucking skate park inside this warehouse. This is wild. Got the Ram Ranch, 18 naked cowboys in the showers. What else we got? This side is dead. There is absolutely nothing worthwhile here. And nothing at all. And then we got a Honda Accord. That is, it's pretty clean. I just like the headlights on these things.
Yeah, those headlights are sick.
I want to make my headlights look like that. Dude's blasting the AC. Dude, look at this place. What is this place? How have I never heard of this? This place is badass. What do you guys think? Should I organize a meet around here? This is pretty sick. I should just do my own meet here and actually have people show up, because this meet's kind of dead. So I think I need to organize a meet around here. All right, well, since that meet was terrible and boring and there's nobody there, I guess I'll tell you some other stuff that I've been up to that doesn't really have its own video, I guess. First up, if you guys watch Gingium, which you should, because he makes cool cars, unique cars unlike other people, his Volvo has some intake air temp issues, so I made this for him. This is entirely 3D printed out of carbon reinforced PET, not PETG, PET. So this is temp resistant to 200 Celsius or about 400 Fahrenheit. So this is gonna go in his front bumper. You'll see it in his video. And then you see on the end has a little tube end, and this will feed, hopefully, cooler air to his turbo, which in turn should make his intake air temps cooler. So that was fun to design. He just sent me a scan with his phone, and it was okay, it was usable, but I made the tolerances very loose, so hopefully everything fits. I didn't really know how much room there was behind it. He said it was about 6 inches, so hopefully this will fit. Because if it doesn't, this was a lot of filament, and this filament's very expensive. This filament's $85 a kilo, and this thing weighs 1.3 kilos, so yeah, it's pretty expensive piece. I'm waiting for some parts to come in. Got angle kit, spacers, and these just came in, ARP wheel studs for all 4 corners. Yeah, just waiting on parts to arrive, because right now I haven't been able to really do much to the car. And I just released a bunch of new stickers. We got this one, basically the Ed, Ed and Eddie logo, or Ed, Ed and Eddie font, just Ding Dong Drift. That one was fun to draw. 7-star Dragon Ball with
Ding Dong Drift in the Dragon Ball font.
So check those out. Those will be in the link in the description. So I'm gonna try to do more stickers and stuff. I'll try to make a bunch of designs, just keep making stuff. I need to use my vinyl cutter. I bought it and then I just kind of never used it. I made the livery with it and just it's been sitting there. So I need to put it to use and make it pay for itself. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video, ding dongs. Nice and short little video today, just basically a little update. I wanted the meat to be the video, but the meat sucked. Hopefully the next video will be the angle kit install. If not, it might be something else, something smaller maybe. We'll see. The angle kits take a little while to come in. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week. Stay sweet, ding dongs. Peace out.
America, America. Do you have your passport?